Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Hong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, all about living around the house, the living room, the kitchen, and also the bathroom. 在这个家里面呢，有客厅，有厨房，还有很重要的浴室，对不对？生活起居呢都是从浴室开始的，对不对？So let's talk about terms associated with, again, the bathroom. For instance, you have soap in the bathroom and it's about to run out. 这个肥皂已经快用完了，要赶快跟人家讲，要跟你的家人讲，怎么说？
茶具啲位用睇。
茶具啲位用睇。那有可能有其他东西呢也快没了，对不对？ For instance, 还有洗发精 Maybe it's the shampoo you're running out of.
洗发精。
洗发精 Or maybe it's the toothpaste. 有可能是牙膏快没了。
牙膏。
牙膏。还有一个呢，常常就要坐在那边的，就是叫做马桶。
马桶。
Of course, there's also the toilet. And sometimes the toilet is clogged. And that feels like hell because you can't go to the bathroom anymore.
马桶马桶
马桶马桶
很像绕口令。
对啊，两个很像哦。马桶 that's the toilet. 马桶不通 it's clogged. Clogged and toilet actually sounds very similar. 马桶马桶 and you can't use the bathroom. 不能上厕所。
唔得送偏所。
唔得送偏所。偏所就是厕所。pencil that's the bathroom. Okay.
海陆腔的马桶其实也是很接近的音。
OK 好。
马桶。
马桶。
所以马桶不通，马桶马桶。
马桶马桶。Okay, that's the different dialect for the toilet is clogged. It's all about 马桶 and 马桶。All right? Or we need to change a new toothbrush because a lot of times we forget about this. 其实那牙刷都已经翘得乱七八糟的，都忘记要换这个新的牙刷，对不对？
对。
Okay, it's time for a new toothbrush. How do you say that?
牙刷诶。
Okay, that's toothbrush. 牙刷诶。
全部好温。
全部好温。
就是都应该换。
全部都要换 ，OK。
新嘅咧。
新嘅咧 ，OK， 新的啦 ，new ones, alright. It's time to change all your toothbrush to new ones. Or maybe 有时候是要换毛巾。If it's time for a new towel, it's time for a new towel. 毛巾怎么说？
棉帕。
棉帕，这以前教过嘛，就有点像手帕的感觉嘛，对不对？棉帕 that's a towel. Alright, that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.